Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Noodle Robots, sorry. I hope you're all having a nice day, whatever time of day it is. I hope this video will cheer up your day if you're having a bad day. Yeah, so let's get straight into it. So I'm doing a little bit of like a favourite fidget thing. So if you love fidgets like me, then you and me, we love fidgets. I love fidgets so much. I've loved them throughout 2021 for ages. But I think we should get straight into the video anyway. And before I do that as well, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn post notifications on. So every time I post a video, you get notified. I don't think the notification bell is on, but it's still a reminder. So first fidget is this. This is my magic snake. Really like it. Very cool magic snake. You can see the little shadow of it. Now this is my magic snake that's really broke. Like you can't really twist it. So I'm not going to do the biggest review of it because you can't really twist it that well. I've tried twisting it many times, but it's like impossible. But yeah, anyway, magic snake. My next fidget is this. This is my Rubik's Cube. It's a very small one. Now, guys, I mixed this up straight away when I got it, and I have no clue how to solve it. So if you know how to solve Rubik's Cubes, you are very smart. Unlike me, I have no clue how to solve this type of Rubik's Cube. But yeah, anyway, I got this cool Rubik's Cube, and I like it. It's a good fidget. The next fidget is this. I only have one just for the video, but this is a popper block. I wanted one of these for ages, and I got this on like Saturday. I really like it. It's super good. But yeah, I recommend these popper blocks because I have 9 of these, and I think they're really good. So yeah. The next fidget is this. This is a popper pinwheel. Now I love this. Okay, like extra love this. It's just so amazingly fun and good and stuff like that. So you've got 2 sides. This one is the loud side. It does have this, what mood you're feeling in. I'm feeling in a happy mood right now because I'm doing this video for you guys. And I love filming videos. So yeah, I recommend these pop pinwheels. The next fidget is this. This is my triple dimple. Now, I literally don't have one of these. I have loads of these. I love triple dimples because they're just so satisfying. Now, I bet you're thinking simple dimples are better. They are a little bit, but these can still be good at times when it's boring. So, yeah, I love this and I recommend it. As I was talking about simple dimples, I actually have one. This is my simple dimple. It's pink and green. It's really good. I do love simple dimples because you can just play with them at whatever time and any time you really want. So it's just so good. Next fidget is this. This is my new octopus flipper. I really like these. I actually have 3 of these now because I just got this one. Now these can be so fun, and these I really recommend bringing out because they're super good. Sorry about how bad my impressions are. How bad I'm doing this and holding it. It's just that I have to record and hold this in my hand at the same time. But anyway, yeah. Very cutesy with that little... Now my favourite fidget is this. My Planet Dimple. Now if you don't have one of these, you need one right now. So... these are the literal best. Now, obviously, I've actually had wanting one of these for ages, and I got it for my birthday, actually. And I love it. It's just the best fidget ever. Look at how good that is. Ready, listen? So good, and I recommend that big one in the middle is the sun. So, yeah. Well, anyway, guys, that is it for today's fidgety video. I hope you all enjoyed this as much as I did because I love filming videos for you guys. So I guess I will see you next time. But just a little bit of a fun thing you might like is that I think later today I'm going to get some Robux from a shop later today with my money for my birthday, and I'm going to buy some Robux, and I'm going to show you the things I'm going to buy for my avatar. Now that's going to be a fun video. But guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, smash that like button, and I will see you in a little bit maybe, just so I can film that video. So, goodbye!